When you receive your 3-axis butt plate kit, it will come with the parts for installation on both the MBA-2 and MBA-4 series of buttstocks. Not every part will be needed based upon your installation. The kit is available in either black or flat dark earth. In this video, we will be installing the 3-axis butt plate on an MBA-4. The parts marked above will not be needed. To install the MBA 3-axis butt plate on an MBA-4 buttstock, remove the standard butt pad from the MBA-4. We'll need a 3/32 Allen wrench. This comes with your buttstock. We'll flip the buttstock over and remove the Allen wrench from its retention point. Next, we will unscrew the 2 screws holding on the butt pad. Set the butt pad aside for possible future use. Next, we need to install the side plate. You'll notice that the side plate has a short side and a long side, along with a capture recess for our lock nut. The top part has a recessed position that goes to the threaded insert on the buttstock frame. Using the short screw, attach the side plate tighten it down finger tight. Don't crank on it. You don't want to damage the stock. Next, we'll put the nut into the capture recess. While retaining the nut, we'll flip the buttstock to the other side and use the long bolt to attach the bottom of the side plate. Again, don't over tighten, just snug it up. Next, we'll put the 3-axis butt plate into the slot at the rear of the stock. Next, take the star washer and put it on the thumb screw. Place the thumb screw through the hole. Then flip your stock over and put your thumb screw backing plate into position. While retaining the backing plate, tighten down the thumb screw. You can loosen the thumb screw to select the position of your butt plate and then tighten down the thumb screw. Be sure to return the Allen wrench to its capture position on the buttstock for use in the future. You have now completed the installation of your 3-axis butt plate to the MBA-4 buttstock.